Pick vLLM as your engine in TurboLLM on Windows, and it won't even try to start. It tells you straight, vLLM needs Linux. Every other engine here runs fine on Windows. This one doesn't, and here's how to actually get it running. If you don't have WSL2 yet, one command installs it, WSL. Install Ubuntu by default. Once you're in, run nvidia-smi. If your GPU shows up like this, the hard part's done. If it doesn't, the one thing that trips people up is installing an NVIDIA driver inside the WSL distro itself. Don't. GPU support in WSL2 comes from your Windows driver, stubbed straight through. A Linux driver inside Ubuntu conflicts with it instead of fixing it. Then check the version column from that WSL list verbose you just ran. If it says 1, not 2, that's your whole problem. WSL, set version, your distro name. Then 2, converts it. If it's already on version 2 and still not showing the card, run WSL. Update to pull a current kernel, then WSL. Shut down and reopen your shell. A kernel or driver update doesn't take effect until the whole WSL VM restarts. Same command as on Windows, npx TurboLLM. It prints a local URL. Open that in a browser. Head to Engines, find vLLM, and click Install. It downloads its own Python environment. PyTorch, CUDA, the works, real multi-gigabyte packages, not a stub. On this box that took 4 minutes 46 seconds, sped up here for time. Once it's done, vLLM shows up right here, installed and ready. Now you need a model vLLM can actually serve, safe sensors, not gguf. In models, discover, paste a Hugging Face repo link. This is Gemma 312b, quantized to 4-bit specifically for vLLM. It shows the real size and whether it fits your VRM before you commit. Hit download, and it pulls the whole directory for real. For minutes 46 seconds, sped up here. Back in your library, hit load. And here's a real one. This model defaults to 131,000 tokens of context, and vLLM needs enough KV cache memory to back that. After loading the weights, this GPU doesn't have enough room left. It fails loudly and tells you exactly why. The fix is right there in the error. Cap the context. Open the model's settings, set max model length down to something that actually fits, 32,000 tokens here, and reload. This time the weights load, the KV cache fits, and vLLM comes up running. Send a real message, and you're talking to a real Gemma 312b, served by vLLM, running on your own GPU. If nvidia-smi shows your card, the rest of this is exactly like every other engine in TurboLLM. Try it yourself, npx TurboLLM.